Hi everyone, this is a recording about your musculoskeletal individual research topics that you have submitted. I've gone through and I tried to give, most of you got your first choice, if not your second. Unfortunately, I think like one or two of you have gotten your third choice. But you can definitely find them here. It's in D2L. And on the left-hand side, if you look under your musculoskeletal research assignment, click remote, you're going to come right to this page. And again, here are the instructions for the big project that we're going to be doing all trimester, the rubric, an example for you. And if you just click on this, you'll see a Word document that has your name, and then right underneath it, your topic. If you have any questions or problems, please email me. If you see that your name is not on there and nor a research topic for you, please contact me ASAP. Let me know if you have any problems or questions. Thanks and have a good night.